Interlaken has something for everyone. From hiking scenic trails to cruising pristine lakes, every moment in Interlaken is an opportunity to create lasting memories. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready to discover the magic of Interlaken. Interlaken is conveniently situated in the heart of Switzerland, nestled between two picturesque lakes, Lake Thun and Lake Brienz. This strategic location makes it easily accessible from major cities in Switzerland and neighboring countries. Whether you prefer traveling by air, rail, or road, reaching Interlaken is a breeze. For international travelers, Zurich Airport, or ZRH, serves as the closest international airport to Interlaken. From Zurich, a scenic train journey of approximately 2 hours will transport you directly to Interlaken Ost, the main railway station. The Swiss railway system is renowned for its efficiency and punctuality, offering a comfortable and enjoyable mode of transportation. Interlaken is also well connected by road, with excellent highways leading to the town. If you prefer driving, renting a car allows you the flexibility to explore the surrounding areas at your own pace. However, keep in mind that parking in Interlaken can be limited, especially during peak season. Once you arrive in Interlaken, getting around is easy. The town is compact and walkable, with many attractions within easy reach. Local buses and taxis are also readily available for longer distances. For a unique experience, hop on the nostalgic funicular which takes you up to Harder Kulm, Interlaken's local mountain, offering breathtaking views. Interlaken is a treasure trove of natural wonders and cultural gems, each offering a glimpse into the region's rich heritage and breathtaking scenery. From charming villages to majestic mountains, there's something to captivate every visitor's imagination. One of Interlaken's most iconic attractions is Harder Kulm, the town's local mountain. A ride on the Harderbahn, a funicular railway, takes you to the summit, where panoramic views of Interlaken, the surrounding lakes, and the majestic Eiger, Monch, and Jungfrau peaks await. At the top, you'll also find a restaurant and a viewing platform, perfect for soaking in the breathtaking scenery. No visit to Interlaken is complete without a cruise on either Lake Thun or Lake Brienz. These pristine lakes, surrounded by towering mountains and charming villages, offer a serene and picturesque experience. Hop on one of the passenger boats and glide across the crystal-clear waters, taking in the stunning views and enjoying the tranquility of the surroundings. For a glimpse into Interlaken's history and culture, visit the Interlaken Castle and Monastery Gardens. This historic complex, dating back to the 12th century, houses a museum showcasing the region's rich past. Stroll through the beautifully maintained gardens, offering tranquil views of the surrounding mountains and a sense of peace and serenity. Section 4. Adventures await in Interlaken. Interlaken is an adventurer's paradise, offering a wide array of thrilling activities for adrenaline junkies and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Nestled between Lake Thun and Lake Brienz, this picturesque town is a gateway to some of the most exhilarating experiences in the Swiss Alps. From paragliding over snow-capped peaks to canyoning through narrow gorges, there's no shortage of ways to get your heart racing. The diverse landscape provides the perfect playground for those seeking an adrenaline rush. One of the most popular activities in Interlaken is paragliding. The feeling of freedom as you glide through the air is unmatched. Imagine soaring through the air like a bird, with breathtaking views of the Swiss Alps spread out below you. The panoramic vistas are simply awe-inspiring. Several reputable companies offer tandem paragliding flights, no prior experience necessary, making it an accessible adventure for all. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or a first-timer, paragliding in Interlaken is an experience you'll never forget. For a more grounded adventure, explore the region's extensive network of hiking trails. The trails are well marked and cater to all levels of hikers. From gentle walks along the lakeshore to challenging climbs up to alpine meadows, there's a trail for every fitness level. Each path offers its own unique perspective of the stunning landscape. The trails offer stunning views of the surrounding mountains, lakes, and forests, immersing you in the beauty of the Swiss Alps. Every turn reveals a new, breathtaking vista. Water sports enthusiasts will find plenty to keep them entertained in Interlaken. The lakes are a hub of activity, especially during the warmer months. The crystal-clear waters of Lake Thun and Lake Brienz are perfect for swimming, kayaking, stand-up paddleboarding, and windsurfing. The serene environment makes it an ideal spot for both relaxation and adventure. Several rental shops offer equipment and lessons, allowing you to experience the thrill of these water sports. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, there's something for everyone. I've been coming to Interlaken for years, and it never disappoints, says Sarah, a seasoned hiker from the UK. The sense of adventure and the natural beauty keep drawing me back. The hiking trails are incredible with breathtaking views at every turn. Each hike feels like a new adventure, with the landscape constantly changing. It's the perfect place to escape into nature and challenge yourself. Whether you're seeking tranquility or a physical challenge, Interlaken has it all. Section 5. Savoring Interlaken's culinary delights. Interlaken's culinary scene is a delightful blend of traditional Swiss flavors and international influences, offering a diverse range of dining options to satisfy every palate. Whether you're a fan of hearty mountain fare or prefer lighter, more contemporary dishes, Interlaken has something to offer. From cozy cafes serving hearty Swiss classics to upscale restaurants showcasing innovative cuisine, there's something to tempt every food lover. The ambiance in these eateries ranges from rustic and homey to chic and sophisticated, catering to all kinds of dining experiences. One of the must-try dishes in Interlaken is fondue. This iconic Swiss dish is more than just a meal, it's a social experience that brings people together. This Swiss staple, consisting of melted cheese served in a communal pot, is perfect for a cozy evening with friends or family. The act of dipping and sharing makes it a fun and interactive dining experience. Dip crusty bread, potatoes, or pickles into the gooey cheese for a truly indulgent experience. The combination of flavors and textures is simply irresistible. Another local delicacy is raclette. This dish is a celebration of cheese in its most delicious form. This dish features melted raclette cheese scraped onto a plate, typically served with boiled potatoes, pickled onions, and gherkins. The simplicity of the ingredients allows the rich, creamy cheese to shine. It's a hearty and flavorful meal that's sure to warm you up after a day of exploring the great outdoors. The warmth and richness of raclette make it a perfect comfort food. For a sweet treat, head to one of Interlaken's many bakeries and indulge in a slice of Swiss chocolate cake. These bakeries are a haven for dessert lovers. Switzerland is renowned for its chocolate, and this cake is a testament to the country's mastery of this sweet treat. The quality of Swiss chocolate is unparalleled, making every bite a delight. The rich, decadent chocolate cake is the perfect way to end a meal or satisfy your sweet cravings. Its velvety texture and intense chocolate flavor are sure to leave a lasting impression. The food in Interlaken is incredible, says John, a foodie from the US. He appreciates the variety and quality of the local cuisine. I love trying the local specialties like fondue and raclette. These dishes offer a true taste of Swiss culture and hospitality. They're so hearty and flavorful, perfect for a cold day in the mountains. The robust flavors and comforting nature of these dishes make them ideal for enjoying after a day of adventure in the crisp mountain air. Section 6. Planning your Interlaken adventure. Planning a trip to Interlaken is relatively straightforward, thanks to the region's excellent infrastructure and abundance of accommodation options. The town is well connected by trains and buses, making it easy to get around and explore the surrounding areas. However, a little planning can go a long way in ensuring a smooth and enjoyable trip. Researching the best times to visit, booking accommodations in advance, and planning your activities can make a significant difference. The best time to visit Interlaken depends on your interests and preferences. Each season offers unique experiences and activities that cater to different types of travelers. Summer from June to August is peak season with warm weather, long daylight hours, and all attractions open. This is the perfect time for outdoor activities like hiking, boating, and paragliding. However, expect larger crowds and higher prices during these months. Popular attractions and restaurants can get quite busy, so it's wise to make reservations where possible. Shoulder seasons from April to May and September to October offer a good balance between pleasant weather, fewer crowds, and more affordable prices. These months are ideal for those who prefer a quieter experience while still enjoying most of the outdoor activities. Winter, from November to March, transforms Interlaken into a winter wonderland, with opportunities for skiing, snowboarding, and other winter sports. The snow-covered landscapes are breathtaking, and the festive atmosphere adds to the charm. When it comes to accommodation, Interlaken offers a wide range of options to suit every budget and preference. Whether you're looking for a cozy hostel, a mid-range hotel, or a luxurious resort, you'll find something that fits your needs. From budget-friendly hostels to luxurious hotels with stunning lake views, you'll find a place to stay that meets your needs. Many accommodations also offer amenities like free Wi-Fi, breakfast, and guided tours. Packing for Interlaken can be tricky, as the weather can be unpredictable, even in the summer months. It's essential to be prepared for sudden changes in weather conditions. It's always a good idea to pack layers, including a waterproof jacket, comfortable walking shoes, and a hat and gloves, especially if you plan on spending time in the mountains. Don't forget essentials like sunscreen, sunglasses, and a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated during your adventures. Section 7. Interlaken, an experience to cherish. Interlaken is more than just a destination. It's an experience that will stay with you long after you've left. From its breathtaking scenery and thrilling adventures to its rich culture and culinary delights, Interlaken offers a unique and unforgettable travel experience. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a bit of both, Interlaken has something to offer everyone. So, pack your bags, embrace the Swiss spirit of adventure, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Interlaken is calling. Will you